Let's do business. The auto industry has welcomed the comprehensive review of legal and regulatory frameworks coupled with tax incentives which have enhanced local assembling of vehicles. Isuzu East Africa Managing Director Rita Kavashe says the next wave of growth is being powered not by policy but by market demand.
Isuzu East Africa Managing Director Rita Kavashe says local buyers, especially fleet operators, are increasingly preferring locally assembled vehicles due to their reliability, easier maintenance and stronger resale value.
We are generating our own second-hand pool and not depending more on imported vehicles that sometimes are not produced or geared towards our country and our difficult terrain operation. So this has made it possible for the 50-50 split to transition. Now we are only producing about 85% locally, and only about 15% is being imported.
Kavashe says the auto industry is moving up the technology ladder with new locally produced buses and trucks now equipped with advanced telematics for real-time fleeting monitoring.
The local industries have built capacity to supply on leasing to the entire government corporation, whether it's all ministries, all state agencies. They don't have to really buy upfront. They can do leasing, and with that byproduct of leasing, we are able to create more jobs, we are able to create more service centers, we are able to create a pool of used vehicles that can be bought by our local people at a lower price, so they can also start to grow their businesses.
She projects sustained growth anchored by the National Automotive Policy and a proposed 13 billion shillings financing facility.
The technology that we are using that is going to give our customers peace of mind because of telematics. We are able to generate several reports that our customers can use for better management of this fleet, leveraging technology. Our drivers will be able to be assisted by technology for better driving and safer driving. This is a very, very important feature, knowing that a driver really needs a lot of support